Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access the gallery on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So if you want to access the gallery, you're going to go to the Apps tab, and you can do that by pressing on this Apps icon on the left. So just press that and you're going to be in the Apps tab, and here you have Gallery, so press on that. And the gallery is going to have all of the images that you have saved. It's not really notes, not drawings, just the pictures. So I have this one picture right here, for example, that I have saved. You can access it and press on it, and this is basically what the image looks like. I just took a screenshot and drawn some goofy stuff on it. But from here you can edit the image, delete it, and more stuff. So here in the edits you can just change pretty much anything you want. So just add handwriting, text, crop, mosaic, erase stuff, and once you're done, just press the save icon on the top and you can exit out the editor. So you can also delete, share, and if you press more, you have all of these options. So also here to notes, so export to notes, and export as PDF, and set as, for example, the screensaver, power off image, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.